Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, a service technician for Advanblack, and today we've got a brand new product from Advanblack. We have the hand guards, and as you can see, you can get these color matched. Of course, these are for our 15 Rogue Light over here. That's amber whiskey. You can get these color matched to your bike, or maybe you want these as a contrast color. You can get them vivid black, you can get them flat black, whatever you want to do. As you can see, I've already got one of the brackets installed on the back, which we'll go ahead and install one here in just a minute. But on the back, you just have 2 bolts, 2 washers, and you mount the bracket on the back. And then this piece here is going to mount right into your mirror hole. So very easy install. And as you can see here, we have 3 large inlaid pieces of rubber just as a design on the outside, and then on the inside too. This is all one-piece rubber. So there's actually 3 slotted holes in this, and this is all one-piece rubber that just pops through. Now, they only fit the 2015 to the 2020, but we are working on different brackets for the other years. As of right now, on the website, they will be listed for the 2015 to 2020. So you can do anything you want with these rubber pieces, and because the rubber pieces go all the way through, you can take them out. You just simply go from the inside here and you just push the rubber over and start pushing it through until you can get a hold of it on the outside, just like that, and you can peel that out. And you can see that rubber piece, how that goes in there now. So maybe you don't want the black rubbers on there and you want some air to get to your hands, but you still want the protection. Just pop these out. To put them back in, you're just going to slide the bottom in, and you're going to start pushing these in. Just work your way from the bottom back to the top. Push down on the top just a little bit to get it in there. And now it's installed. It's as easy as that. Now here lately, I've seen a lot of these on the performance baggers. Now, our Rogue Light is definitely not set up as a performance bagger, but we do have everything from Advanblack on there. And I think this is gonna look pretty cool on our bike because we've actually lowered the fairing on the bike 2 inches, and we've put air ride on the front and the rear with the fat tire on the front. I think it's still gonna look pretty cool. This isn't just necessarily for the performance bagger bikes. We're gonna pull the camera over here and I'll show you how to get the bracket installed, and then we'll walk it over to the bike and just simply pull the mirror off, attach this, and put it back on, and you're done. So let's get to it. Inside the package, you're gonna get 2 washers, 2 bolts, and a bracket per side. As you can see on this one, we already have it installed. It's very easy to do. I want to mention though that there is not a left and a right side. These both are exactly the same. So you want to make sure that you lay them out like this, and make sure that you mount the brackets opposite of each other. So if I was to turn this way, and I mounted this way, you're gonna have 1 bracket on top and 1 bracket on the bottom when you go to install them on your bike. So just lay them out on your soft table like this. Make sure that they're both facing on the same side. We're gonna take a very small amount of blue Loctite. We're gonna drip that onto both of the bolts. Just takes a little bit. You're gonna take that washer, that nut. You're gonna take a 3mm hex and go ahead and start these by hand. We always start them by hand so we make sure that we don't cross thread the bolts. Once you have them started, you can go ahead and run these down. And all you want to do is just snug them up. You don't have to over tighten these. They're not going to go anywhere. Now, blue Loctite normally sets up in about 30 to 45 minutes, but it completely cures in about 24 hours. So just go ahead and snug these down just like that. You don't have to have a whole lot of torque on them. Now we're going to walk these over. We're going to pull off our mirror and get them installed. Got our perch mounted mirror here. We're going to go ahead and loosen the bottom bolt. We're going to go ahead and loosen the bottom nut on our perch mounted mirror. Now you'll have to look at your bike to determine what size nut that you have on yours. A lot of the mirrors have different size nuts on them. So just check your bike and see what you have. Now once we have the mirror off, you're going to put the bracket facing up. So the 2 bolts are down kind of behind your perch itself. All you're going to do is slide that over that. Put your mirror back on just like that. And then just get your washer and nut and then reinstall it. Now I go ahead and set on my bike and I pull my mirror up right where I want it. And you probably will have to make a few adjustments on this as you go. Mirrors are pretty important. I like to get them exactly like where I want them. So I'll ride once and probably readjust these. Now this part is very important. You want to make sure that you have these pushed away from your hand levers. You don't want them so close to the hand lever that when you reach in quickly to grab your clutch or your brake, you're actually hitting the hand guard. I know a lot of us ride these bikes with the cruise control on. I'm a button pusher rider, so anytime that I've got my cruise on, things can happen. You know, cars pull out in front of you, something runs out in front of you, somebody slams on the brakes, whatever the case may be. I don't want to be cruising one-handed and then have to slam up here and grab this clutch or the brake and my hand hitting this guard. I want to make sure that I set it and then I can reach in real quick and I'm not hitting this hand guard. You don't want to reach in and grab the top of this hand guard when you're supposed to be grabbing clutch or brake. So very important that you do that. So when you're tightening this left side, you're tightening that nut. It can pull the hand guard in and it can push the mirror out. So I'm going to stick my arm in here to keep my hand guard from pulling in. And then I'm going to grab my mirror and pull it back. So that's going to keep my mirror from going in as well. Let me get that pretty tight. I do not want that moving while I'm going down the road. Now all we have to do is repeat the process on the other side. Like I said, super easy install. You're just going to remove your mirror, put the guard in, put your mirror back on, make sure you make your adjustments. Like I said, the most important thing about installing hand guards is to make sure that they're absolutely out of your way of your lever. They are made to protect your hands from anything flying that may come up and hit your hands, plus they just look cool. So like I said, you can get these color matched from Advanblack for the first week or so. This video is online. Depending on when you watch this video, you'll have to get them through one of our dealers. But if you want to wait for them to hit the website, and make sure to go over to advanblack.com, go up there to the top, hit that link, be the first to know, sign up for our email newsletter, and they will let you know exactly the day that this part comes out, and I'll give you a link straight over to the website from there. If you have any questions on this whatsoever, make sure that you drop in the comment section down below, and I'll help you the best that I can. I'm going to get out of here and get myself back to work. But until then, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.